don't take it. Take it, just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Welcome back, Royals. As part of my Fire and Desire series this year, I decided to do something a little out of the box for myself, and I wanted to try my hand at styling up a tree for the Valentine's season. I broke all the design rules. I pulled in Christmas decor, spring decor, Valentine, of course, and a little bit of element of surprise. So, without any further ado, sit back, relax, and watch as I style up this beautiful, whimsical, romantic design. Starting first, you guys, with the tree topper, I am breaking all the rules. I am using elements from my Christmas styling from last year to create this whimsical and romantic tree topper. When styling this tree, I knew that I wanted to create something whimsical, romantic, enchanted, and a bit over the top. So I'm pulling in, again, floral picks from my winter and Christmas styling. I felt like the icy, snowy look will be fitting for this design, seeing as how Valentine is in the winter months. So I'm just, you guys, just going with the flow, just creating a real organic look. Guys, the method to my madness is simple. I am simply going with the flow, allowing the picks to speak to me. I am styling it in a way that looks and feels right to me in this moment. I know that my overall look and feel is romance, whimsy, enchantment, definitely fire and desire. To bring that look in, you guys, I'm adding these final pieces to my tree topper, and it just totally brings the look and feel together. As you can see, it speaks of everything that I desire for the tree topper, and it sets the tone for the rest of the tree. The next step, you guys, is to bring in this 4-inch floral ribbon or design ribbon, and again, it brings in that next element and starts to build the overall look. I love the way the black and white pops against the soft pinks, the different shades of pink. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And with ribbon styling, there are so many ways to style ribbon. And you will see here how I instantly change up my look in the midst of styling the tree. I started out with one technique and just did what felt right in that moment. And you will see that I changed up the look and style of the ribbon. But I felt like it flowed better with the look that I was going for in this particular style. Again, I have no vision, nothing concrete that I am going for. I'm just going for it. And as you can see, the ribbon is just placed organically throughout the tree, and I'm loving the overall look. As I stated before, I'm breaking all the rules. You guys, here I am attaching Christmas ornaments in my Valentine's tree. I felt like because they fit the color scheme and theme that it would just flow beautifully in the tree. It doesn't scream Christmas, but it gives you that full, lush, romantic look that I'm going for. And the black and white ornaments just take it to the next level. I told you it's going to be a bit of unexpected elements mixed with a little romance, a little bit of whimsical, and a whole lot of fire and desire. So sit back, relax, and watch as I complete the look of this design.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
Now that I have all of the ornaments in, I want to bring a 3D or a more whimsical look and feel to the design. So now I am bringing elements of the tree topper down into the actual tree design itself. And this to me makes the overall look really, really pop and come together.
Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love you. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
florals are complete, and now to bring in the final element that is going to really give this tree that Valentine look and feel, and that is these beautiful hearts that I picked up, you guys, from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the way this tree turned out. It was my first Valentine tree design, but I promise you it will not be my last. This turned out so amazing, above and beyond what I had envisioned. I just, again, went with the flow, and as you can see, I'm feeling it. I love this tree. I love the way it looks. I love just the romantic feel that I get from the design. I love the black and white elements in it, and definitely I am loving the unexpected Christmas ornament. Here I'm adding these picks from Michael's. Again, just bringing in a little bit more of that Valentine look and feel to my design. Well, guys, with a few Christmas ornaments, Christmas clearance floral picks, a few unexpected ornaments, Dollar Tree items, I end up with an absolutely beautiful, enchanted, over-the-top, fire and desire themed tree. And I am so in love with the end results. Well, guys, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for your continued love and support. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now, to my brand new boos and my tried and trues, you guys know how much I love and appreciate you. Thank you again for your continued love and support. I want to encourage you all, if you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Set your notifications because, you guys, there is so much more to come in this Fire and Desire series. This is February 1, so we have a few more days to spread the love and cheer. Next up will be some beautiful sofa and coffee table styling to coordinate with the fabulosity of this tree. So you must stick around and see how I styled this entire space to complement the look and feel of this design. You don't want to miss it. I have some amazing things to share. For you all's watching pleasure, I have created a Fire and Desire playlist so that you'll be able to go back and watch all of the videos that I have created so far in this series, and you'll be able to see all in one setting the videos that are to come. Again, there'll be living room styling. Of course, I've got to bring you some table for two, some Valentine tablescape. I'm going to bring you a romantic bedroom refresh. You don't want to miss it, you guys. It is going to be jam-packed with all of the romance that your heart can desire and feel. I may even have a bonus video in there, so you don't want to miss that. Again, set those notification bells because I've got some things up my sleeves. So please stick around and go with me on this Fire and Desire journey. Well, guys, until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, always be royal, and have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Oh, one other thing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. It helps out the channel tremendously. We are well on our way to 25K, and I would love for you guys to like, comment, and share to spread the love on this video. Smooches.